If you've lost access to your Klarna account and cannot use your email, follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the Klarna website. Go to the official Klarna website or open the Klarna app on your device. Look for the login or account recovery option. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login page, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the recovery process. Step 3. Choose alternative recovery options. Since you do not have access to your email, look for alternative recovery options such as using your phone number or answering security questions. Step 4. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may include receiving a verification code via SMS or answering personal questions related to your account. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Klarna account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Klarna's customer support for further assistance.